The Motorola Razr 40 Ultra, everything you need to know. The Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is a foldable smartphone that was released in February 2023. It is the successor to the Motorola Razr 3, and it features a number of improvements, including a larger and brighter display, a faster processor, and a longer-lasting battery. The Razr 40 Ultra has a 6.9-inch POLED display with a 165 Hz refresh rate. This makes the display smoother and more responsive, especially when playing games. The phone is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, which is one of the fastest mobile processors on the market. It also has 8 GB or 12 GB of RAM and 128 GB or 256 GB of storage. The Razr 40 Ultra has a 50-megapixel main camera and a 10-megapixel ultrawide camera. The main camera has a larger sensor than the camera on the Razr 3, which should result in better photos in low-light conditions. The phone also has a 13-megapixel front-facing camera. The Razr 40 Ultra has a 3,800 mAh battery, which is slightly larger than the battery on the Razr 3. The phone also supports 15W fast charging. The Razr 40 Ultra is available in 3 colors: Infinite Black, Glacier Blue, and Viva Magenta. It starts at $1,199. Overall, the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is a powerful and versatile foldable smartphone that offers a great balance of performance, features, and design. It is a good choice for users who are looking for a premium foldable phone with a great camera system. Conclusion: the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is a great choice for users who are looking for a premium foldable phone with a great camera system. It has a large and bright display, a fast processor, and a long-lasting battery. The camera system is also very good, with a 50-megapixel main camera and a 10-megapixel ultra-wide camera. The phone is also available in 3 stylish colors. If you are looking for a powerful and versatile foldable phone with a great camera system, then the Motorola Razr 40 Ultra is a great option.